Good evening, fit and healthy family. Good evening. Let's see, it is now almost 8 o'clock, and so I'm running short on my eating window for meal number 6, which is two savory fruits and two sweet fruits. So I've got a kiwi here, a plum, and then these two little peppers I'm going to go ahead and eat. Thank you to my client for gifting me these little guys, because if I had to eat full-size peppers like the ones that you find in the store, I would not be able to eat a whole one. And so yeah, that's what I've noticed from this detox, is that I'm just too full to eat. And this helps to answer a question that one of my clients asked me recently. She asked, hey, I just feel like all this healthy food that you have me on, all this lean protein and this vegetation, I just can't get all the calories in. Well, the reason you can't is because when you eat real, whole, natural foods, your body and your hormones in your body tend to work better and will signal to you, hey, you're too full. You don't need to eat anymore. And, even some of the best of us, when it comes to tracking our food, tracking calories, monitoring and weighing and measuring everything, sometimes we still get a little off track in the prepackaged and processed food, and fiber and low calories is a great way to just hit the reset button on your appetite and the signaling and the hunger hormones and all of that. So so that's what I'm doing for meal number 6. And then the last meal that's supposed to be consumed between 8 and 10 includes these 6 dried figs. Here's the figs that I have, Kalamata string figs. And I'm soaking them in water because I'm going to blend them up with a cup of cashew milk and 1 banana. Yeah, I'm going to blend that up. And that's going to be the last meal of the evening. So let me finish this. And what I will do for the last video, I'll go ahead and give you guys some tips as to the rationale, the reasoning behind choosing these foods for this raw detox, kind of like a raw fast. All right. Talk to you in a couple hours. Bye now.